Drones have already transformed the way we capture stunning aerial views, monitor landscapes, and even deliver packages. But what if we told you that the capabilities of drones have just taken a quantum leap? Imagine a drone that combines the features of a helicopter and a fixed-wing aircraft, offering you the best of both worlds. Today, we're stepping into the future with a remarkable invention that's bound to leave you in amazement. Are you ready to witness the future of aerial technology? Imagine a world where drones don't just fly, they collaborate intelligently like a synchronized dance, all due to the power of liquid neural networks. Yes, we're stepping into an era where drones join forces to form intelligent swarms, working together with collective abilities that redefine what machines can achieve. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The dawn of liquid metal neural networks is introducing us to drones that are more than flying cameras. They're morphing marvels. These next-gen drones have the remarkable ability to change shape on the fly, seamlessly adapting to various tasks without missing a beat. Dragon Drone. Take the Dragon Drone, for instance. With its intricate stabilizing capabilities, it's proven that even complex shapes can be tamed in flight, demonstrating the immense potential of actuated motors and manipulation. And this is just the beginning. Dragon stands for Dual Rotor Embedded Multi-Link Robot, with the ability of multi-degree of freedom aerial transformation. Quite a mouthful, right? But let's keep it cool and call it Dragon for short. Each of these small drones is like a mini powerhouse, sporting not one, but two ductile fans that can twist and turn their thrust in nearly any direction that you can imagine. Think about the maneuverability that it gives. And here's the kicker. An Intel Euclid dev kit is at the heart of this futuristic flyer, orchestrating its every move. Let's discover another kind of drones that's going to shock your mind. Now, I'm sure most of you are no strangers to the idea that drones can roll around on wheels in all sorts of shapes, sizes, and configurations, from tiny ones that can snugly fit into your pockets to hefty ones that demand their own spot in the garage. The variety is astounding. And here's the fun part. These wheeled-equipped drones come with an array of price tags. You've got the pocket-friendly ones that won't break the bank, around $10 anyone, and then there are high rollers that might cost you more than a fancy gaming console. It's like a drone bazaar out there, where you can find models with a whole array of bells and whistles and, well, wheels. It's called a Marvel Bot. This futuristic creation boasts not just 1, 2, or 3, but 8 distinct modes of motion thanks to its articulating body. It's like a robotic gymnast that can crouch, tumble, and even stand on 2 legs. With its versatile actuated hip joints and prop mounts, it's a whole new level of drone ingenuity that's bound to leave you awestruck. Ever heard of a VTOL drone? It's like a superhero of the UAV world, able to leap off the ground and land vertically, just like a helicopter does. VTOL, which stands for vertical takeoff and landing, is the secret sauce behind this nifty piece of technology. You might also hear folks toss around terms like VTOL UAV or VTOL UAS, different names, same impressive concept. Now let's break it down. VTOL drones come in 2 flavors that get people talking: rotorcraft and VTOL fixed-wing drones. The rotorcraft variety includes a cool gang of helicopters, hexacopters, and octocopter. They're aerial acrobats lifting off with the power of their propellers, connected to the motors. On the other side of the spectrum, we got VTOL fixed-wing drones, the ultimate hybrid. These birds combine the best of both worlds, the ability to take off and land vertically, like their rotorcraft buddies, and the cruising efficiency that's a signature move of fixed-wing aircraft. Imagine a drone that's got the agility of a chopper and the endurance of a jet. That's the VTOL fixed-wing drone for you. So next time you hear buzz about VTOL drones, know we're talking about aerial marvels that are rewriting the rules of takeoff and landing. It's like watching a futuristic dance in the skies. And now, you're in on the moves. That's a fixed-wing drone for you. It's like a mini airplane up there, relying on its streamlined wing for lift rather than fancy vertical rotors you see on other drones. What's fascinating is that these drones only need the energy to glide forward, not to hover mid-air. Talk about energy efficiency. Fixed-wing drones are the marathon runners of the world. They're designed to cover vast distances, create intricate maps over expansive areas, and stick around for a good while. Think a few hours in the air is impressive? Well, some of these drones, powered by fuel-packed gas engines, can soar for a jaw-dropping 16 hours or even longer. Now that's some serious hang time. These drones are like the high flyers of the crew. They can climb to great altitudes, carry hefty payloads, and navigate the skies with grace. If drones had personalities, the fixed-wing variety would be the smooth operators, cruising above, mapping below, and showcasing a level of forgiveness in the air that's truly impressive. It's an unorthodox yet ingenious combination that showcases the endless possibilities of merging different flying platforms. Crafted by a team of brilliant minds from China's Shanghai's Research Institute for Intelligent Autonomous Systems, Tongji University, and the Unmanned Systems Research Group at the Chinese University of Hong Kong, the TJ Flying Fish, is far from your typical quadcopter. At first glance, it seems like your regular quadcopter, boasting a central domed body and 4 arms with motor-propelled modules at the end. But hold on to your goggles, because this is where things get fascinating. Each propulsion unit is no ordinary propeller. It houses a unique dual-speed gearbox, and guess what? These arms aren't your regular rigid structures. They can swivel independently from the rest of the drone. As the TJ Flying Fish takes to the skies, all 4 propulsion units spin upwards at their highest speeds, propelling the drone through the air. But wait, the real magic happens when it lands on water. Like a sleek transformer, these units swivel downwards, engaging their lower speed. And here's the kicker. The drone takes a deep dive beneath the surface. To navigate underwater, it expertly adjusts the angle and thrust of each propulsion unit, moving like a fish that's born to glide. This ingenious creation isn't just a one-trick pony. With a 1.63 kilogram weight, it can hover above water for 6 minutes per battery charge, or explore aquatic realms for a whopping 40 minutes. It's no shallow swimmer either. It can descend to depths of up to 3 meters and dash through underwater currents at speeds of 2 meters per second. And guess what? The TJ Flying Fish is a solo artist. It navigates its aquatic escapades autonomously without needing a human hand on the wheel, or, well, the joystick. Imagine the possibilities: aerial, aquatic surveys, remote sensing, and search and rescue missions, all executed by this amphibious wonder. In the world of technology and innovation, boundaries are meant to be pushed, norms are meant to be shattered, and new possibilities are meant to be explored. As we've delved into the fascinating realm of drones, it's clear that we're standing at the crossroads of endless potential. From VTOL drones that defy gravity in creative ways to fixed-wing wonders that sweep across the skies with elegance, and from shape-shifting marvels that adapt like chameleons to aquatic explorers that seamlessly glide between the air and water. Each innovation showcases the remarkable ingenuity of human minds. The evolution of drone technology is not just about machinery, it's a testament to the unquenchable thirst for progress. As we witness drones that can autonomously perform tasks, collaborate intelligently, and extend our reach to new frontiers, we can't help but be swept up in the excitement of what's yet to come. These inventions aren't just products, they're bridges to the future, connecting us to uncharted territories, new perspectives, and expanded capabilities. If you want to stay at the forefront of all things tech, make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of the mind-boggling content we're bringing your way. Thanks for watching.